The US dollar, also known as USD, is one of the most popular and influential currencies in the world. US dollar bills not only have sophisticated designs, but are also equipped with modern security measures to prevent counterfeiting. To better understand the production process and the advanced technologies applied, please watch the video below. The video will help you understand each step in the process of mass-producing US dollar bills. To create high-quality US dollar bills and ensure security, the preparation of materials plays an extremely important role. At this mixer, materials will be mixed with a ratio of 75% cotton and 25% blended fabric, creating a durable material that is difficult to tear and can withstand many folds. These blue and red textile fibers are automatically distributed randomly across the paper surface by the machine during the production process, ensuring their uniformity and randomness. When exposed to ultraviolet light, these textile fibers become clear and recognizable, creating an additional layer of security for the banknote. The presence of these textile fibers plays an important role in preventing counterfeiting, as they are difficult to reproduce accurately without special technology and manufacturing processes. Next, fluorescent strips are also printed onto the surface of the paper, adding another important layer of security. These fluorescent strips glow when examined under ultraviolet light, helping to identify genuine banknotes easily and effectively. Once these security elements are integrated, the paper roll is cut into suitable sizes for the printing process of money production. These are special printing inks used for paper money that are highly durable, fade-resistant, and difficult to counterfeit. This ink ensures sharp and clear image quality and glows when exposed to ultraviolet light, enhancing the security of the banknote. At the lithographic offset printing press, the banknotes will be printed for the first time to create blanks. This printing process ensures that both sides of the banknote are printed with high precision and clear detail. After printing is complete, engineers will thoroughly inspect these workpieces, ensuring they meet quality standards before moving on to the next printing stage. This inspection is an important step to detect and eliminate any errors, ensuring that each completed banknote is of the highest quality and meets strict security requirements. Next, the banknote will go through the process of imprinting and typesetting to create embossed images on the paper surface, as well as sharp, clear text. Intaglio printing is used to print important details such as portraits of presidents and the United States coat of arms, providing depth and exquisite detail. Then, typesetting printing technique will be applied to print important information such as denomination, serial number, and year of release, ensuring the printed letters are clear and easy to read. Both of these processes use specialized machinery and require high skills, ensuring each banknote is of optimal quality and security before being put into circulation. Next, the banknote will be quality checked again to ensure every detail meets standards. This inspection process includes a thorough review of security elements, sharpness of images and printing, as well as durability of the banknote. When quality is met, the bills will be carefully packaged. Packaging ensures that the bill is protected and ready for distribution into circulation, completing the US dollar production process with the utmost precision and security.